Hey guys, it's Caleb with VD Labs. I'm going to show you guys how to install our little lower window side stripe decal. This also will apply to our lower door side stripes and really any of our side stripes that we make. You can follow this technique and it will show you exactly how to do it. Alright guys, so to get started you want to take some Dawn dish soap, mix it like a 10 to 1, even a 20 to 1. Just spray down the surface right here. Come back with a microfiber. Don't let it run all the way down your paint, because what this is going to do is it's going to strip off any wax that might be here. If your car is ceramic coated, this is most likely not going to stick to it. So if it is ceramic coated, you'll need to remove the ceramic coat before you apply the decal. So now that I've wiped down the area here with some Dawn dish soap, alright, so I'm just going to come back with a different microfiber towel. I'm going to put some rubbing alcohol on it. I'm going to wipe down the surface with some rubbing alcohol. This is just so you know the area is nice and clean and ready for the graphic to be installed. Okay guys, so you're going to get the graphic. It's going to be one piece, right? So it sits like this. You're going to have to do a little trimming right here. So what you want to do is you want to take the graphic, get you a piece of tape, any kind of like Scotch tape, painter's tape, anything like that. And you're going to want to lay that tape right in the middle of the graphic. Now move the graphic to your desired position where you want it. Let's see, I think I like it about right there. Really you want to try to line it up on these body lines so you know it's going to be nice and straight for you. And all you do is stick that tape down. So now this is in the middle here, as you can see. I'm going to back away, make sure this is nice and straight, and that's where I want it. Okay, now that you have this tape placed right here in the middle, what you want to do is take the graphic, pull it like so, and pull it away, and it should stick right to that transfer tape. Once you have the backing peeled away, you just want to come in with some scissors, cut that paper away. So what you want to do is, this is holding here in the middle, right? You cut the transfer tape away. Now just take a squeegee, a credit card, anything like that, and you're just going to want to lay the graphic down with it. And there is a body curve here, so it might be a little difficult. And you're just going to lay it right over these lines here. As you can see, I'm starting on these bottom ones. Then I'll just peel this back a little bit, work my way up into them. And if you're getting crinkling in your transfer tape, that's really most of the time not a big deal. When you peel it off, it will be just fine. Alright, so now I have this side down, so I can now peel this tape away and peel this side back. And as you can see, peel the backing paper off. Okay, so I want you guys to see this motion. I went ahead and adjusted the camera a little bit, but what I'm doing is I'm starting at the bottom and working it up. So that accounts for the curve in the body. Now this is air release vinyl, so it'll be very forgiving even if you get an air bubble here. Just go right over the body lines. And as you can see, I'm just working from the bottom up, coming back down. And there you have it. It looks like it's installed here. So now what we need to do is peel back this transfer tape. And when you're peeling the transfer tape, try to peel it how I'm peeling it here, like a complete, like flat up against the graphic, so that way it doesn't pick up the vinyl. If you pull it like this, it could pull the vinyl up before it's fully adhered. And all you do is just slowly pull this back. Now guys, once you get to this section right here, you're going to want to go really slow and make sure you pull it at that 90-degree angle. All right, so we have the graphic installed on the vehicle now. So all we need to do is take a razor blade, pick this up at Harbor Freight for I think 47 or 67 cents. And these are honestly perfect for this. And all you want to do is come in and just very gently trim this away for each crack. And you want to try to keep it as much in the middle as you possibly can. And just be really slow when you're doing this. You want to try to keep this line as straight as you possibly can.
Yeah.
But at the end of the day, it doesn't matter that much because it's going to tuck over the edge. What you want to do, just pop this open, wrap it up over that edge, tuck this in. So, might be out of the camera's view there, but all you want to do is just tuck those edges like so. You want to come right here, crack your door open, wrap those around the edge, tuck that in, and then tuck this in. Alright, so a tip I'll give you here, you can use a heat gun on these edges, and I think it does help a little bit. The heat will activate the adhesion a little better. Usually if I'm going to leave something on, I would hit it with a heat gun or a hair dryer and really heat it up to activate that adhesion. But this is pressure activated, heat activated adhesion, but it's real simple install. There's not much to it, super easy. Follow this method. You could also do this wet. If you do it wet, I don't recommend doing the tape line there if you're gonna do it wet. But either install works. I wanted to make this, show you guys how to do it. Same concept applies for all of our side graphics, so check them out on the store. We got some new cool stuff coming out with the topography pattern. I don't know what all designs we're gonna do. Probably some leopard, cow print, just some different stuff. But either way, hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope this helps you install. Appreciate it.